Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I want to show you how to delete promotional email in a Gmail account. For that, you have to go to Promotional tab. If you couldn't find your Promotional tab here, make sure to click More and select the Promotional tab right here. And all your promotional email will be loaded here. And if you want to select and delete few of email, you can select from left corner checkbox and click the delete icon. And if you want to get rid of all the emails, select all and select all conversation in promotion and delete icon. It will ask you a confirmation, and if you're happy you can click OK. In that way you can get rid of all your promotional email. That's our end of video. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe for my channel.